In this video, we're going to be talking about InstaWP's template feature and how you can use it in various different ways. Let's get started. So first of all, let me show you how easy it is to create a template and why you would create one. So over here, we're going to create a brand new website by coming over here to add new. So here you can pre-select some plugins that you're going to use on pretty much every website build. So let's go ahead and select that. So I'm going to come over here to security, and here I may go ahead and choose limit login attempts. I'm going to select that. Over here on SEO, I'm going to go ahead and install all-in-one SEO. Now let's go to social media. Now I'm going to leave that as it is. Over here on the forms, I'm going to use contact form plugin, and then further down here, we have page builders. So I'm going to go with Gutenberg, and then let's continue on. And pretty much, I think I am okay. So with that, I'm going to go ahead now and create the website. Now, it may be also a good idea that you reserve it and then click on create a website. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to create a website with those basic plugins. So now that I'm logged in, the next step now is to further customize my template by adding a theme. So I'm going to come over here to themes, and the theme I'm going to use for this is Astra. So I'm going to click on add new theme, and it should be here by default, and here it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on install. This is the theme that I'm going to be using pretty much on all my websites. So with everything now all set, what we need to do is to go back to InstaWP. So now let's create our template. So I'm going to come over here now. So all you need to do is to click on this little icon here, which says save template. I'm going to click on that, and we're going to give it a name. So this template here is my starter template. And in my description here, I'm just going to call this Astra and Spectra. So this just gives me an idea of what this template is about. So now that we've given it a name, let's go ahead now and save. So you can see here the template has been created successfully. And if you want to take a look at your templates, you just come over here to templates, and this will give you a list of all your templates. Now, this is the one that I've just created. So at this point, this now is going to enable us to design our websites super fast. So I don't need to go in and install the Astra theme, Spectra, and all the plugins that I need. If I need to create a website, I can create it based on the template. So let me show you how I would create another website for a client or another website that I need to work on based on this template. So what I'll do is I'll come back over here to the dashboard, and we're going to come over here to this plus button. And now we have an option to build from template. So you can see here, this is my first one, Mac starter template. And this is the one that I've just created. If I click on that and then click on create site, just like that, I'm now creating a website based on that template. Now you can see how powerful this is. I'm going to save a lot of time, and also this just makes the whole process of designing my websites very, very easy. So now let's take a look at this website by clicking here, and there we go. We have our website. Now, another feature I want to talk to you about, which is also very powerful, is let's say you've created your website, it has all these features on it, and you want people to test it and see how it works. You can create what are known as demos. Now, let me show you how to set it up based on your template. So you want to come over here to your templates. So what you want to do now is to come over here to edit. So once you've clicked on edit, you notice that we have enable sharing over here to the top. If I click on that, now this template can be shared. Now you may have not noticed this, but we also have some sharing options here. We have the branding over here. We have the email collection. We can also collect emails. There's security, there's integrations, advanced options. But let me just show you quickly how, if someone wanted to see this, can actually see it by just you sharing it. If I copy this link now, I'm going to open my browser here in new incognito window, and I'm just going to paste this URL like that. And now you can see here, this is Mac starter template, AS, Astra, and theme. So this is just the name that I've given it. And then I can click on launch demo. So here I can set my email address. So let's say this is going to be my email address. I can click on proceed. And now this is setting up my demo on this installation. Now this demo only lasts for a couple of hours, but this is a quick way of letting your customers or anyone come and try out your website and see how it works, depending on whatever features that you've added on the website. So notice this, we have our own magic login. This is pretty cool. So if I click here, I can now log into the website that I've just shared. There we go. Now, this is a very, very powerful feature. Now, if you don't believe that this is the website that I've shared, I'm just going to come over here and click on visit site, and you're going to notice that this is pretty much the same site. Super powerful feature. Now, there's endless opportunities that you can use this, as well as also building your mailing list. So let's say that maybe you want to monetize your template, sell it. There's an option here where you can click on monetize, and this now allows you to set it for free or paid. Now, once you've set this all up, pretty much you are good to go. But remember, for the paid, you need to set up a payout account, which pretty much is a very straightforward way of setting it up. Now, once you've set up your Stripe account and connected it, you can now make money with these templates. Now, let me just give you an idea of how you would go about this. So let's say you are building a specific type of website. Maybe it's an e-commerce website. You can build a complete e-commerce website and then sell it as a template. So the person that purchases it just installs it on their account and make a few changes, whether it's the logo, the colors, and so on, and pretty much they are good to go. This is a done for you service, which again can make you a lot of money if you utilize InstaWP's template feature. Now, what you could also do is you could use InstaWP Connect plugin, and this will allow you to make some updates between your live website and your staging website. So this could all start from a template stage, and this could be updating all your websites just like that. So as you can see, this is super powerful. And also I'd like to emphasize that using the templates allows you to build your websites super fast. You can sell your templates, and also if you wanted to test your websites or test some plugins to see if they're working, this is a really fast way of using the templates. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, see you in the next one.